Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and today we are going to try a little body work on the Deuce. I know you get them little pesky dents and whatnot. What's the best way to fix it, right? We're going to try a paintless dent repair product that I purchased on Amazon. It's the best China has. Anyway. Anyway, so as you see, right? 1 second, please. Anyway, as I was saying, as you see, we have a dent. So I need to fix it. Let's go get the stuff. See you over there. Hi. This is Gliston. I don't know. It's China. It's got China written all over it, and it's China. But didn't work on the new truck, so we're gonna try it on the old truck. Alright. Let's see. What are we going to need? I don't need that. The light. I think. I don't know. I need a little something bigger this time. Gonna need that. Gonna need, let's see, gonna need that. What else? Maybe this. Yeah. That's a pretty good dent. Maybe we'll try that, because I don't think this is going to cut the mustard today. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work today. We'll try this. We'll see if we can't, get the glue to stick and all that funky jazz. It's supposed to really wipe it down real good, you know. So, yep, wipe down. All right, directions. Yes, needing stinking directions. Alright, now we need a puckety puck. I'm pretty sure we're gonna need a pretty good sized puck, because that was a pretty good sized dent. But anyway. Yep. Yeah, that ought to do it. Maybe we'll try to pop that. Where's all my stuff? Extension cord. I don't know why extension cords are gotta be like Christmas lights. Alright. So let's get this thing warming up. Alright. Here's that. I buy a lot of crap on Amazon. It's probably 99% of everything I buy comes from Amazon. It's just convenient. Every now and then I get the top dollar stuff, you know, straight from China. And like I said, I had a small dent on my new Ram pickup truck, and I tried to fix it with this, and I couldn't quite get the glue to stick to the truck good enough to pull it in. So, but hey, This is somewhat newer paint. I mean, a little bit thicker metal. Surely this is going to work. I mean, where can this go wrong? Famous last words. Takes forever for the glue gun to warm up because, you know, it's China. Totally awkward moment right now. Maybe. I think it needs a little, put a little more on it. Almost. But you know, hey, the good news is if this works, I won't need to paint this. Yeah. All right. So, let's see here. What do you think? Yep, that didn't work at all. Kind of what I figured would happen. Alright. Y'all can leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of that. But as of right now, I gotta fix that dent that we was working on. And I've got a fail-safe method. You'll do the same very thing with your own trucks, minus smacking it with a hammer. But so almost as good as new. Perfect. So, the paintless dent remover, kind of knew it wasn't going to work. And I kind of thought this would make for a little bit of a humorous video. I mean, I have it. Why not try it? In case someone else out there was like, you know what, I wonder if that would work. Well, the answer to that is no. Not even close. Closer here. I mean, it's just as good as it was a minute ago. So, and heck, I would even venture to say it's better. So, anyway, hope y'all liked the video. This was for fun. If you like, please subscribe to this channel, and so that way you can get notifications when there's a new one out. It may be something you want to see, or it may be something you don't want to see. But please, if you like it, please click the like button. It does, it helps the channel out. And share it, you know, if you know anybody else that would be interested in silly things like this stuff. But anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.